Hi Karthikesh,
Hi, good afternoon.
how are you?
I'm fine, ma'am. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good, Karthikesh. Okay, this is Aruna from Quality Department. I just want a feedback interview from your side, Karthikesh. Before starting that, first of all, congrats for your placements.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Yeah, can you introduce about yourself, Karthikesh, about your early studies, hometown?
Okay, sure. I am Karthikesh V. Patil. I have completed my Bachelor of Engineering in Civil from PDA College of Engineering, Gulbarga. Currently, I am pursuing CACM course in CMT.
Okay, so how did you get to know about CMTI, Karthikesh?
So, actually, one of my friend had channeled CMTI and he also placed in through CMTI. So, that's how I got.
Okay, then what and all you learned in CMTI apart from your syllabus?
So there are many lectures like quantity survey, interior, the various uh,
Okay.
site
Uh,
visits.
Okay. So what about softwares and all? What kind of softwares you learned here?
So firstly, I learned AutoCAD 2D, and then SketchUp, and also MSP and Primera. Actually, I learned both MS and Primera.
Okay. Okay, Karthikesh. Then how was the trainer's feedback, Karthikesh? Whether they were clearing your doubts and how was their approach during the class hours and all?
They were really helpful, man. Any doubt, we can directly contact them. They're really helpful.
Okay, okay, fine. So, like, what about CMTI app? How did that help you?
There are many lectures, sorry, courses in CMT app, like interiors, measurement, quantity survey, procurement, etc. So it becomes easy to learn in home itself.
Okay. So, what, like, how did you crack the interview, Karthikesh? So, how was your interview process?
There were actually two rounds, ma'am. One is telephonic HR round, after which there was a technical round. In that, they actually asked about measurements, sketching. That's it, man. It was easy actually.
Okay, fine. So what about CMTI staffs? How was their coordination throughout the process?
They were always with us, ma'am. They used to guide us for the interview and any positions available. They used to send them. They were really
Okay. So finally, what do you want to say to your friends and juniors, Karthikesh?
take this opportunity to join for civil engineers actually and join the CACM course to grow in your career. I suggest I
Okay.
suggested to engineers and friends.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, Karthikesh. Thanks for your
Thank you.
feedback.
Thank you.
I wish you all the best for your future and once again, congrats for your placements, Karthikesh. Thank you.
Thank,
Thank you so
thank you
much.
so much.